Amitabh Bachchan's granddaughter, Navya Naveli Nanda, recently walked down memory lane and shared a glimpse of her younger brother Agastya playing with his toy guitar. Taking to her Instagram handle, Navya shared an edited video featuring young Agastya dressed in a white blue t-shirt and shorts, jumping inside his house while pretending to play the instrument. And in the middle, she added snippets of him playing the guitar in the recently released song Suno from his upcoming film The Archies. Sharing the clip, Navya wrote, "Been rockin' and rollin' for a while, Archie." Soon the video went viral on social media, garnering reactions from fans and the Bachchan family. While Abhishek Bachchan wrote, "Our little rock star, all grown up." Agastya's mom Shweta Bachchan said, "I remember this, adorable," followed by a red heart emoji. The director of the Archies, Zoya Akhtar, also reacted to the video and commented, "Meant to be." Speaking about fans, one wrote, "Cutest child." Another said, "Literally, he's a rock star Bachchan." Agastya is all set to make his acting debut with the Archies. Also happens to be the debut for Shah Rukh Khan's daughter Suhana and Boney Kapoor's Khushi. The movie is scheduled to release on Netflix on 7th of December. For more news and updates, stay tuned to ETimes.